Rolling. Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. Today I'm going to talk about purchasing of my cruise control wiper, delay switch, turning indicator, delay switch. I purchased it from eBay. It came, and just kind of an overview. This is for a 1984 Chevrolet G20 van, and in order to get to this to replace, we need to take these Phillips, the few Phillips heads. They need to be removed. There's a bolts, 1, 2, 3, that comes down, and that exposes our turning indicator here. But this just pulls out. That's all it does. It just pulls out, and you reroute your wiring down the steering column down here, and it plugs into, let's see, right there. That's it. Piece of cake. The old one I had glued 2 or 3 times. It had broken right here, but it allowed me to reinstall the shaft, and there's a small little keyway in there, and lines everything up. And then I glued the plastic, and after the 3rd time, and since I'm heading out to see the USA in my Chevrolet, as some of you may remember, Dinah Shore would sing, I thought I'd replace it. Cost me 40 bucks. I bought it through eBay. Here's the kicker. I mean, it's just, the cruise control worked. Cruise control worked. Only 1 speed for my wipers worked with the old one. But cruise control did work. And my turning indicators worked. Everything worked. Except for the delay on the windshield wipers and the 2-speed windshield wipers. Since I installed the new one, I now have 2 speeds on my windshield wipers. The delay never did work on the old one. I'm not worried about that. However, I really want my cruise control to work. And with this new unit, it's not working for some reason. I contacted the folks that I bought it through. They suggested I unplug this right here, make sure it's clean, use some rubbing alcohol, clean it up, plug it back in, and hopefully it'll work. I'm about to do that. I don't have to take out any of these bolts or screws. What I have to do is unplug it here, clean it, and plug it back in. Then I'm going to go do a test run. I'll jump on the freeway, or I'll kick her up to 50 or 60 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour in my neck of the woods, and see if the cruise works. If not, I get to put it in an envelope, send it back to the company I bought it from, pay for the postage, and they'll send me a new one. So, I just wanted to give an overview. And that's about it. Thanks for checking in. Thumbs up, please. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend or two. Maybe one day I'll be able to get this channel monetized. Woohoo! I've got enough views. I just need subscribers. So even if you don't watch again, just Doesn't hurt anything, doesn't cost you a nickel. Just subscribe, please. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.